You're saying I should do respect home people. The first enemies, most enemies I have in this app, people who abuse me day and night, they are from Teso. My home people, those ones we call my home people, they are from Teso. They are the most enemies I have in this app. Some of them, they don't have even a reason to hate me. Some of them, they hate me because I talk the truth. Some of them, they hate me because I say what they can't say. Yeah? Some of them, they hate me because I called Anita because of corruption. Yeah? Some of them, they hate me because I disagree with the NRM as a party. Yeah? That's why they hate me. For telling them the truth, that wake up. That wake up. They hate me because of Anita, of which the whole country knows Anita is corrupt. Eh? Anita is corrupt, and we shall not stop saying that. Eh? Anita is promoting corruption in Uganda, and she should be dismissed by all means. Eh? They should dismiss her from being a speaker because she's the worst speaker Uganda has ever had. She's the worst. I know she's my tribe mate, but she's the worst speaker. We are even embarrassed because of her. We are embarrassed because of you, Anita. You're using powers in a wrong way. Eh? You're using power to intimidate people. You're using powers in a wrong way. Eh? And that is the reason they hate me. And I've accepted to carry that cross for telling Anita the truth. If I'm lying, why is it that Anita cannot travel out of Uganda? Because they banned her. You be a speaker and you well known out of even Uganda that you're corrupt. They ban you from traveling outside the country. Which kind of a speaker are you? I thought that you're supposed to represent your country outside Uganda, but you cannot travel because of corruption. Even your bosses know they have used you enough. You sit, you be even in the rallies. Telling people how you are planting your agents in other parties. So that your opponents will be disqualified. So should we call that one what? Should we call that one what? Not corruption. And that is the reason why people of Teso, they hate me. They abuse me in this app because of saying the truth. Alupo promised them cows. That they will give them five cows, 5 million. And they went again to tick those NRM liars. Now the elections are finished. I don't know whether Lupa has given them cows. They will what? They will come back again to lie to them. 2031 that Museveni is still paying the cows. So when I come out here to tell them that stop being what? Stop sleeping, wake up. Don't accept people to lie you up and down. Bam. That is the reason why people of Teso, they hate me. They want me to keep quiet, not to tell them the truth. So that for them, they keep on deceiving people. And some of us, we can't accept that. We cannot see wrong things and we don't say them. Some of them, they hate me because I'm supporting Kyagulanyi. Of course, me and Kyagulanyi, we are like this. Whether Kyagulanyi knows me or he doesn't know me. I'm on his back. Vero, you're making perekesi, you're making noise. Our noise is the one keeping Kyagulanyi alive. When we go mute, Kyagulanyi will remain alone. So we cannot betray Kyagulanyi. We have to continue making noise to protect him wherever he is. Right now, Kyagulanyi is running up and down. So our noise is the reason why Kyagulanyi is still surviving. Because we have to make noise so that his enemies will know that Kyagulanyi is well protected. We don't have guns, but we have to protect Kyagulanyi with the mouth. So if people of Teso come for me, I will go for them. If they disrespect me because of Kyagulanyi, I will disrespect them. You understand? Because Chagulanyi is the only person we trust in Uganda. He's the only person who cares for the poor. My people of Teso, they are in NRM, dining with Museveni, who is oppressing Ugandans. And that is a thing which annoys me so much. Despite the poverty they see in Teso, the struggles they are going through, people are drinking water with the cows. When I say that I'm a bad person, they start abusing me. They start hating me because I've said it. I grew up from the village. I know how poverty of Teso is. I know how people of Teso struggle. I know how some of them go to bed without food. But when I say it, they say I'm making noise. They start hating me, of which I'm ready for their hate. I'm a one-man army. I don't need anybody even to support me because I know how poverty pains. I was in that village. I know how poverty pains. So people of Teso, if you continue disrespecting me because I support Chagulanyi, I will disrespect you more. I will disrespect you more. Avoid me. I will avoid you. But if you keep on fabricating stories about me, abusing me in this app, and you expect me to respect you, that is bullshit. You know? That is bullshit. And Anita, stop corruption. That is the most thing we are saying here. And that is the reason they hate me in Teso, because of calling Anita as corruption. She should stop corruption. If not, Museveni, you dismiss Anita. She's embarrassing you worldwide. And she's using powers in a wrong way. A person who opens her mouth wah in a public. She's very arrogant.